Good morning. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, lines and angles. We all are well aware of these words, that is lines and angles. In our previous classes, that is previous level classes, we have learned what are lines and what are angles. Let's once see some of the basic terms and definitions related to the same. Now, we all know that first we start with a point. Now, what is a point? A point is a dot which has no dimensions. Now, where we can make a line. Now, what is a line? Line is having no end points, means a line segment having no end points. Compulsory a line is made up of 2 points, yet to get more points. With 1 point we cannot make a line. Next, ray. A line having one end point is called ray. That is, it is one side it can be extended and other side it cannot be extended. That is called a ray. Then comes line segment. Line segment is a line having 2 endpoints. Means compulsory this line have a special measurement, a special length. You cannot extend it from any of the side, any of the direction. Now there are 2 different types of points, that is collinear points and non-collinear points. What are collinear points? Points, that is 3 or more points that lie on the same line are called collinear points, and 3 or more points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. You can see in the figure that AD is a line segment which contains another 2 points B and C. So point A, B, C, D are collinear points. And for non-collinear points, a triangle ABC is drawn where all the 3 points does not make a single line. You can see AB is making a line but C is not there. BC makes a line but C is not there. AC makes a line but B is not there. So, there are 2 types of points, that is collinear and non-collinear. So, lines are there. Lines are line, ray and line segment. But in our level, we will only learn a line and will not use a specific symbols for line, ray and line segment. We will just take it as line. Now, regarding angles, we know that angle is formed by 2 rays that have common end point, that is a common vertex X shown in figure in the center. Now, when angle is formed, we have learned this also in previous levels, different types of angles. First, acute angle, an angle which measures between 0 degree to 90 degree, that is called an acute angle as shown in the figure. Then comes right angle, an angle which measures 90 degree is called right angle. Compulsory right angle is L-shaped angle as shown in the figure. Then comes obtuse angle, an angle which measures between 90 degree to 180 degree is called obtuse angle as shown in figure. Then comes straight angle, an angle which is exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. Means straight angle is simple a line. It may be vertical, horizontal, slanting, any kind, but it is a simple straight line. Then comes reflex angle. reflex angle is always between, the measure of reflex angle is always between 180 to 360 degree. And to find the reflex angle, we subtract the given acute angle from 360. Now, these are all different types of angles which are single. Further, we have learned pair of angles also. That is, we have learned that if the pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree, such pair of angles is called complementary angles. That is, when two angles are given and if we plus them and if it comes to 90 degree, then both the angles are said to be complement of each other. Another, we have learned what are supplementary angles. A pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. That is, when we add any two pair of angles and the sum becomes 180 degree, they are called supplement of each other. For example, suppose two angles are given, one is 60 degree and another is 120 degree. When we add these both, it will become 180 degree. So both are called supplement of each other. 120 degree supplement of 60 degree and 60 degree supplement of 120 degree. Now, we have learned adjacent angles also. Now, what are adjacent angles? Then we have learned linear pair of angles also. We have learned vertically opposite angles also. Let's once recall the definition of all these pair of angles. Yes. So let's see what are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, pair of angles having common vertex. As you can see in the figure that ABC is a main angle which is divided into two different angles, that is ABD and DBC. Both these angles are having a common vertex B, a common arm. Now you can see that ABC, when divided into two angles, their common arm is ray BD. And their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. You can see non-common arm of angle ABD is ray AB and non-common arm of angle DBC is BC. So, both the non-common arms are on different side of the common arm VD. Such pair of angles are called adjacent angles. Means you can see in the figure that if we add angle 1 and angle 2, you will get the angle 3 which is an adjacent angle, which are sum of the pair of the adjacent angles. Now, next, linear pair angles. What are linear pair of angles? Pair of angles which are supplementary. You can see in the figure again a line segment, line ABC is given, which is divided into two angles, angle ABD and angle DBC. Now, ABC makes a straight line and straight line is always 180 degree. And the definition of supplementary is given that if we add the given two angles, if it is 180, then they are called supplementary angles. So, pair of angles which are supplementary means both the pair when added should make 180 degree, that is a straight line, and adjacent. Previously we have seen what are the adjacent angles. So, pair of angles which are supplementary and adjacent to each other are called linear pair angles. Yes. Now, another pair of angle, that is vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect each other at a point Two pairs of opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. You can see in the figure that line AB and line CD intersect at a point O. Now, when they intersect, four angles are formed. Which will be the opposite angles pair? That is, angle 1 will be opposite of angle 2. Either you can say angle 2 is opposite of angle 1. That is angle AOD. That is angle number 1. And angle COB. That is angle number 2. These both pairs make a vertically pair opposite angles pair. Similarly, another opposite angles pair, that is angle 3 and angle 4, that is angle AOC and angle BOD. They both make second pair of vertically opposite angles. These are different types of angles which we already have learned in our previous levels. So these all basic concepts regarding lines and angles we will continue further in the next lecture. Thank you.